Scott Grove here. I've got another tip for you for veneering. If you're trying to hand cut or even use a router, it's really important you have a very nice straight edge that also has a square edge with a little height on it so you can keep your saw square to the cutting surface. So what I've come up with here is, this is sort of what I use. This is actually a dual straight edge. It's a 4-inch piece of 3/8 inch aluminum that I've glued a piece of MDF to, flushed up the edge, squared it up, and then ran it over my joiner so I know that this is straight. And what this is great for is I can either use a utility knife. By using this edge, I can also use my router. So with this edge here, I've calculated the distance between my cordless Milwaukee laminate router and the distance between the 1/2-inch router bit and this straight edge here works perfectly. So I can run using the router-based base, not the bearing, and I can run that on here for gang cutting. Or I can use this surface where I've added the MDF to run my saw. Now I know this is not a veneer saw, so don't give me a hard time. My veneer saw is all packed up. I'm leaving for a job tomorrow. But what it allows me to do is keep a nice straight, square support to the veneer surface. So I can lay this down, I can clamp it. Like this, put my veneer underneath, take my router, and cut it that way. Hope that helps. Great way to make a relatively inexpensive straight edge, but they're really important if you're trying to get a straight edge on cutting your seam. So there you go. Hope that works. Thanks, subscribe. See you tomorrow.